Hey everyone, welcome back to Frank and Frank Auto Repair. Today I'm going to be reading the results to our giveaway. I've decided to use an online service to pick the winner straight out of the comments section. So without further ado, here we go. So as you can see, I've decided to use woobox.com to actually choose the winner. It automatically tallies the total number of unique comments. So there are 12 people who commented, and here's the full list. Thank you everyone for letting me know what your favorite cars were. 1 entry per user and pick. And our winner is Rox Dance Fit Zumba with Roxana. Thank you so much for commenting, whose first car was a Toyota Camry in 1998. I will reach out to you in the comment section, get your contact info, and send you your prize. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you to everyone who participated in my giveaway. It was really exciting to see all the engagement and to know that there's a lot of you out there who are interested in the contest. I'm hoping to do another one in the future at the next milestone, hopefully 500 subscribers. If you're interested in more giveaways and more videos, please subscribe, let other people know to subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That's the starting level for monetization, which would really help for me to continue to grow this channel. I've also had some video suggestions in the comments of my other videos, and I wanted to let you guys know that I will be making more. I've been super busy lately, but I've taken note of all of your suggestions, and I will be creating more content specific to what you guys have asked for. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys on the next video.